I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Today we have a new listing in Brampton. Beautiful area that's been developed by Remington Homes. The house that we have is 27 Keyworth Crescent. What makes this home exceptional? Starting from the main floor, you've got a beautiful living and dining room with a two-way fireplace that also services a large family room. Kitchen's family sized. There's a walkout to the backyard. And what I particularly like, there's a mudroom on the main floor that has a side door separate access, direct access to the garage, and a second staircase to the full lower level. Now that's great for a couple of reasons. The convenience of staying out of the snow when you come home at night. And if you have extended family, you can use that side door and that second staircase to the lower level as a private entrance. Moving upstairs, you've got 4 large bedrooms, a primary with its own 5-piece ensuite and a walk-in closet, and the remaining bedrooms are also serviced by ensuite bathrooms as well. So this is a luxurious home on a premium lot. It's just been listed and it's available for showing. You can contact us at info@matteirealty.ca. Call us at 416-557-7653. It's 416-557-SOLD, or take a look at this home at matteirealty.ca. I'm Eric Mattei. Have a great day.